This video showcases the automatic tempering process of long steel bars using KETCHAN's induction heat treatment system. Through induction heating, the steel bar can be heated quickly and evenly to the temperature required for tempering. The main purpose of this process is to refine the microstructure and enhance mechanical properties, making the steel more suitable for subsequent machining, forming, and load-bearing applications. Compared with traditional furnace heating, induction heat treatment offers remarkable advantages: fast heating speed, high efficiency, low energy consumption, precise temperature control, and full automation.